been lied to. She's not addicted to your looks. She's not hooked on your money. She doesn't even care that much about how smooth you talk. She gets addicted to how you make her feel. And here's what most guys never learn. If you understand how to trigger the right emotions, you instantly become unforgettable. It's not about manipulation. It's emotional influence. And once you get this, Point 1. Attraction is emotional, not logical. Let's get this straight. Attraction doesn't start in her brain. It starts in her body. She could meet a guy who checks every box. Good job, solid guy, loyal, and still feel nothing. But then another guy walks in, he's not even trying, and suddenly, she's hooked. Why? Because attraction is emotional. It's how you make her feel, right now in this moment. Curiosity, excitement, unpredictability. These are emotional triggers. And once those fire, logic takes a backseat. Point 2. Trigger dopamine, the craving chemical. Let's talk about what creates obsession. Dopamine. That's the same chemical that keeps people checking their phones, refreshing apps, chasing validation. And when you become the source of that dopamine, she literally starts craving you. So how do you do it? Surprise her, interrupt patterns, mix up your energy, compliment her at random, not just when she expects it. Make her feel something new every time she sees you. Example, instead of "you look good tonight," try, "I don't know what it is about you today, but damn, you're dangerous right now." She's not just flattered, she's hooked on the high. Point 3. Be the challenge, not the convenience. Let's get real. Women don't chase what's handed to them. If she knows exactly where she stands with you, if you're too available, too eager, too fast to fall, she'll appreciate you, but she won't chase you. Instead, be the man she's slightly unsure about, not in a toxic way, but in a valuable way. Show interest, but let her wonder. Be available, but don't drop everything. Be warm, but maintain your center. That slight uncertainty creates emotional pull, and emotional pull to addiction. Point 4. Mirror her inner world. You know what makes someone feel instantly close to you? Not words, not gifts, not status. It's emotional mirroring. When you reflect back the world she's already feeling inside, you create connection on a primal level. Example, she says, "I feel like I'm always the one giving 110% in relationships." You say, "Yeah, sounds like you love hard, but don't always get that energy back." Now she feels seen, heard, validated. You're not solving her problems, you're showing her you get her. And when a woman feels emotionally understood, she starts to bond in a way she can't fake. Point 5. Build emotional chemistry through conversation. Here's what most guys miss. They use conversation to pass time. You need to use it to build tension and connection. Forget small talk. Go deeper. Try this combo. Vivid stories. Paint pictures when you speak. Emotional questions. What do you think your younger self needed most? Imaginative sparks. If we were stuck on a desert island, what's the first thing you'd do? She's not used to this. Most guys ask what her job is, and if she likes sushi. You're asking questions that touch her soul. That's how emotional bonding begins. Point 6. The dual power safety flow edge. Here's the magic formula. Women want to feel emotionally safe, but also emotionally alive. Be the guy who gives her both. She can trust you with her secrets. She knows you won't judge her. But you also challenge her beliefs. You tease her mindset. You make her feel slightly out of control. In the best way, you're not chaos. You're structured unpredictability. That combination, rare, addictive. Point 7. Be a mystery she wants to solve. A mistake most guys make. They overshare too fast. Mystery makes you attractive. Depth makes you addictive. Let her learn you in layers. Tell stories with pieces missing. Yeah, that night changed everything for me. I'll tell you the full version sometime. Mention your values without spelling them out. I used to chase the wrong things. These days, it's different. Let her lean in. Let her pull more out of you. Because every layer she uncovers increases her emotional investment. Point 8. Build as moments anchor the emotion. If you want her emotionally attached to you, build memories that feel like us. These are emotional anchors, small things that feel shared, inside jokes, nicknames, a playlist you make together, a random ritual, like always ordering dessert first. These turn you and me into something shared. And when she starts feeling like you're part of her personal story, you stop being a guy. You become a chapter. Final message and call to action. So here's the truth, man. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need to be rich. You don't need to chase. You just need to understand emotional impact. Trigger dopamine, create emotional highs, keep a little mystery, mirror her emotions, build shared meaning. If you do that, she'll feel safe with you, excited by you, addicted to the feeling she gets around you. And that's where true attraction lives. If you want more mindset shifts and real attraction psychology, hit subscribe. Drop a fire in the comments if you're done chasing and ready to attract.